Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to understand a very interesting topic about child psychology, that is stages of child development. If you are a parent, teacher or a student, this topic is very important for you. So watch till the end. So under stages of child development, it includes major stages of human development, major aspects of human development and educational aspect of human development. Now let's talk about the stages. Human development happens step by step. There are four main stages. Those are infancy, childhood, adolescence, and adulthood. Let us understand each one by one. First is infancy stage. This stage is also known as foundation age. In this stage is from birth to around 5 or 6 years. Here the child grows very fast. They learn basic things like walking, speaking and recognizing people. So basically there is a rapid physical and mental growth at this stage. Infancy stage is followed by childhood stage, which is from the age 6 to 12 years. In this stage, children start going to school. They develop thinking skills, learn new things, and make friends. Social development becomes strong here. Now comes adolescence. This is around 12 to 18 years. This is a stage of big changes, that is, physically and emotionally. Teenagers start thinking independently and form their identity. Sometimes confusion is also there, which is normal. After that comes adulthood. Here a person becomes. Now let's understand the main aspects. There are five aspects: physical development, mental development, emotional development, social development, and moral and aesthetic development. In every stage, all aspects develop, but their importance changes. Let's connect them clearly. Like in infancy stage, what can a newborn baby do? Very little, right? But slowly everything starts developing. Like in physical development, there is a body growth. First the child sits, then it crawls, then it walks, then it tries to stand. This is seen in physical development. In mental development, the the baby recognizes faces, understands the sounds. In emotional development, which is very important, there is attachment with parents, and the child feels safe with the parents. In social development, we see smiling, recognizing of people. In moral and aesthetic development, it is very basic and not fully developed. So basically infancy is the physical plus emotional development which is built in. When we see in childhood and connect the aspects with it, what happens when children go to school? Yes, development changes. In physical development, it, it continues slowly, whereas mental development begins becoming strong, where the child develops thinking, learning, reading, writing, example solving the problems. We also see the emotional development, that is learning to control the feelings. In social development, child makes friends, it shares the work and build a teamwork. In moral development, this begins in child while going school, that is understanding what is right and what is wrong. So in childhood, we see mental and social development, which is the strongest. Whereas in adolescence, which is from 12 to 18 years, now there is a question. Why do teenagers get emotional or confused sometimes? Because this stage has many changes. We see the rapid body growth, independent thinking, decision making, mood swings, strong feelings. Also, in social development, we see the friends influence more, and there is a peer pressure. Moral and aesthetic development, we see values are developed and they understand what is right and wrong deeply. So emotional and moral development becomes the strongest in the adolescence age. Whereas in adulthood, which is 18 plus years, this is the final stage where the physical development is stable, mental development, we see mature thinking, emotional development is there is a better control. In social development, we see they have the responsibilities and they build relationships. In moral development, the strong values are developed. So, in adulthood, all aspects become balanced and stable. Let us move to the next slide. Now, why is all this important? Because education is not only about marks, it is about the complete development. A teacher must understand the stage of the child and aspect of development. Example, there is a small child who needs love and care, whereas the school child needs learning and interaction. And in teenager, they needs guidance. So teaching should match stages and development level. Now the final conclusion. So let's revise quickly. How many stages are there? 4. How many aspects are there? 5. Are they connected? Yes. So finally, child development means growing in body, growing in mind, growing in emotions, and growing in behavior all together. If you understood this topic clearly, comment below I understood everything. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.